that timing doesn't line up very well. And so you want to go to the landlord not too early and not too late. You want to go and right at the right time to strike the best deal. And that's at that that 6 month period.
Yeah, for existing practice owners looking to relocate, expand, or stay in place, but are seeking a better better deal terms, Nick nailed it. I mean, the timing is such that the landlord recognizes from the moment you decide that you want to make a change or contemplate a change, it's going to be a matter of weeks to months for you to find a location. Yeah, add a weeks to months on top of that to negotiate on multiple locations and ultimately, move forward with one. And then at that point, you're starting construction, and that's going to take 5 to 6 months. You do the quick math there, and you're talking about 8 to 10 months at the very fastest. So, we say there it's never too soon to call us and establish a plan of action, right? And when we really, that sweet spot for us is about a year and a half out from your lease expiration in the case of a lease, because it takes time to plan accordingly.